What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. You should find this intriguing. Back in January, the spot price was $1,800 an ounce. I gave one of my syndicators $100,000 in gold, or 55 ounces. In return, he lent my company $200,000 at a 15% interest rate for 9 months or 10 months, whatever it was. That was January. When May came rolling around, I was done paying him $100,000, so he gave me back the gold, and I still owed him $130,000. Well, that came and went. I paid him in full. He was very happy. Around $6,500 a week I was paying him. It took around maybe 9 to 10 months to pay him off. And with the money that I made from his $200,000, I ended up buying a 10-ounce bar of Pam Swiss. But I can tell you right now that this is the wrong way to go. Depending the position that you're in, it's the wrong way to go. If you could use it to your advantage, if it helps you save, like it helped me save, then it's not such a bad thing. But if you're looking to really generate wealth and increase your net worth, I had no choice to do them. The shipping and the storage, it is nowhere near worth it to look around. But I found a company called BullionVault. I'm going to put a link in the description. Trust me, if you're buying gold this way, you might want to sell some of your gold and put it into BullionVault. Or if you don't want to sell any of this, if you want to hold it, that's fine. Just add new money to BullionVault. Last week, I sold $10,000 worth of gold to JM Bullion. It's very easy to sell when you go through JM Bullion online. However, it's also a pain in the ass to sell. So last week I took $10,000 in BullionVault. Already it's worth $10,400. That would never happen with this. Never. That would never happen with this. I'll go buy a roll for I'll go spend $10,000 in coins. It's not worth $10,400 a day later. This on $10,000, there's a 0.5% in commissions is what they charge you. Not to mention when you open an account, they give you free gold, they give you free silver, and they give you a free platinum. Not a lot, like maybe a few dollars of each, ballpark, and they let you open a fake account or a play account that you could actually trade. BullionVault, the link is in the description. Trust me, guys, 100%. I have an order in here to buy platinum at $850. It's been in here already for like a few months or ballpark. It hasn't hit it, maybe less than a few months. It hasn't hit it yet. It has come very close. I just missed it actually at one time. It came down to maybe 870 and went all the way back up to over 1,000. However, if that was platinum coins that I bought, here, there's 10 platinum coins, I think. Forget about it. Time I go to sell that, there's a premium. You're not making money. You're not trading, I should say. You can make money, hold on for the long term. You're not trading. Guys, if you remember, my goal was to fill up a roll of each of these eagles. I passed that goal. I hit it. Then if you also recall, my goal was to purchase an investment property. Well, I'm in contract right now to buy an investment property. I'm going to show you the property right now. See this gray house right here? I'm in contract to buy that. All right, guys, what I just drove by was the single-family home, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I'm in contract to purchase it right now for $755,000. October 31st is the closing date, and I'm not going to live in it. Obviously, I'm going to rent it out. Hopefully, I can get $5,000 plus for the home. And with that being said, it just got appraised for $830,000, so $75,000 more than what I paid for it. And that's one of the reasons what made me jump on it. I knew it was priced well, so I jumped on it. It's dated, the home, but that's okay. You want to see a little ends up? So with that being said, electric bike, which is what this is right here, and this thing is so much fun. It's ridiculous. I feel like I'm 24 again. So if you guys recall, I didn't have $7.50 to my name not that long ago, 7 years ago, when I started this channel. So there's the appraisal, 830. So I've come a long way. And it just goes to show you, if I can do it, absolutely anyone can do it. Now, I want to show you some gold. Hold on. So before, when I said about BullionVault, about trading, I didn't mean trade. So I want to show you what I did when I opened up the account at BullionVault. I opened it with $500, and then I was just putting $100, I guess a week. If you look at the dates right there, I was putting roughly $100 a week, maybe for a couple times a little more, but just consistently a small amount every week, every 2 weeks, every month, whatever I could afford, just a few dollars. Then I mentioned that I put a buy order for $850 spot price for platinum. So you could put buy orders in lower than where it's trading, and if it hits it, you get filled. So I put $30,000 worth of platinum at $850, because I think if it hits $850, you're going to make money. It's going to go back up to $1,000. It came close, but I didn't get filled. So, and then a month later, if you notice, I took it out, because right now you're getting 5% in the bank, so you'd be nuts. So if I see it go back down towards $850, I'm gonna, if I'm liquid, I'm definitely gonna jump on it. So I took the 15 out, but I kept consistently. I set it up on automatic, so automatically $100 here and there gets sent in. So just to show you, instead of just buying these again and have to hold them and sell them, which is a major pain in the ass, I'd much rather just keep putting it into BullionVault. And there's going to be a link in the description. If you take that link and open it, you could open up an account. You open an account, they'll give you free, a little bit of free gold, platinum, and I think silver, a few dollars of each, maybe ballpark, and you could trade with it. I'm not a trader. Unless platinum hits 850, then I'll try trading. But I just buy. I don't know where gold is going. I just buy because I'm trying to have more money in the long run. So once it gets up to a certain amount, there's no question I would liquidate and keep buying real estate. My goal is to own have 10 tenants. My first goal is to have 10 tenants. Here again, I just want to show you BullionVault. This is my spreadsheet. I opened it in May. I put a few dollars away every week, every month, and it adds up to I guess $3,300 so far I put in, roughly. And I know you guys are into the trading, so watch this. For those of you interested in purchasing future sales, so on and so forth, never mind the colors red and green. It's Christmas around here, so I invested $50,000. This is my very first deal. The very first deal was 6/3/2022. My first deal on my own as an investor. I put 50 in, and I got 65 back. Made 15,000. Then obviously these are my investments: 55, all the way down to here, and but some of them I'm still doing it. You look down here, investment, right? So let's say I invested 109,000. I'm owed 142. The balance is 133, and I'm out of pocket right now. I'm negative 100 grand. So altogether, I'm out of pocket 48,000. But every day, I'm getting. This is not my company. This is just me as an investor. A little different. So if you look Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're looking at roughly $30-something thousand a week. That's going in there. So this is an awesome business. If people are interested in, please reach out. I'm definitely interested in doing business with more people. All right, guys. So from sunny Florida, Enzo and I, Enzo, we both say take care, have a great day, and please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and more importantly, maybe you could share this, and please go open a BullionVault account. The links are in the description. You open the account, they'll give you a few dollars free, and just try to trade or buy and hold. Either way, good luck. Talk to you soon.